Hard drive installation in the Thermaltake Max 5G is an incredibly simple procedure. First step is to remove the two hex head screwdrivers from the rear panel using the included hex screwdriver. This releases the rear of the unit, opening the case. If you look inside, there are pins on both sides for the hard drive. This side sliding with a flip down on stationary on the other side. Sliding the left unit towards the front, the hard drive is placed in and locked into those pins. The hard drive will then slide forward with the SATA connectors making contact. The right side is then flipped up, locked into place, which will lock the hard drive into place. The unit's rear panel is then put back into place with the two hex screws being retightened. And that simply, the Max 5G is ready to go.